Bonjour tout le monde. Today we are going to learn some expressions involving the verbs aller, jouer, and sortir. Vous êtes prêts? Commençons. Okay, so we're going to start with the verb aller, which means to go. Aller, aller. So we do not pronounce that R at the end. Okay, aller. In a previous lesson, we learned the names of some different places, like the cafe, the cinema, the mall, the party. So we're going to combine the verb aller with those places to make some new phrases. So now you'll be able to say more things. Okay, so if you want to say to go to the cafe, because remember to the cafe was au café. Okay, au café. Just put the verb aller in front of it, and now you have to go to the cafe. Okay, so to go to the cafe is aller au café. Aller au café. Okay, you try. Répétez. Aller au café. Aller au café. If you want to say to go to the movies, again, you're going to start with aller, to go to the movies. Au cinéma. Aller au cinéma. Répétez. Aller au cinéma. Aller au cinéma. If you want to say to go to the mall, again, you're going to start with aller. Okay. Au centre commercial. Aller au centre commercial. Répétez. Aller au centre commercial. If you want to say to go home or to the house, you will say aller à la maison. Now we're switching to à la because maison is feminine. Café, cinéma, and centre commercial are masculine. But when you're talking about a feminine place, it's going to be à la. So aller à la maison. Aller à la maison. Répétez. Aller à la maison. If you want to say to go to the party, remember we have two ways to say to the party. À la fête or à la teuf, as French teenagers like to say. Aller à la fête. Répétez. Aller à la fête. And then we'll say it the second way. Aller à la teuf. Aller à la teuf. Our second verb today is jouer, and it means to play. Jouer. Okay, répétez. Jouer. Jouer. Okay, there are lots of things that we can play. We can play sports, we can play games, we can play musical instruments. Today we are going to focus on the sports. And the sports that we're talking about today all happen to be masculine, so we're keeping it simple. The masculine form of to play a sport, you're going to use o. So to play soccer is jouer au foot. Okay, foot is the French word for soccer. Okay, it does not mean football as in American football the way we know it. It's soccer. Jouer au foot. Répétez. Jouer au foot. To say to play basketball, you say jouer au basket. Répétez. Jouer au basket. Jouer au basket. Okay, to say to play hockey, okay, hockey starts with an H. H's are silent in French. So we don't say hockey. And also, that first verb, the O, is pronounced O. So instead of hockey in French, we say okay. Okay. Kind of like okay, but with a French accent. Okay. Jouer au hockey. Répétez. Jouer au hockey. Jouer au hockey. To play tennis, we're going to say jouer au tennis. Okay, instead of tennis, the French way to say it is tennis. Okay, répétez, jouer au tennis. Jouer au tennis. And to say to play volleyball, we're going to say jouer au volley. So that's pronounced a little differently as well. In English we say volley, but in French it's volley. Volley. Okay, jouer au volley. Répétez, jouer au volley. Our last new verb today is sortir, and that means to go out, to leave, to depart. So we have a few things that we can say using the verb sortir. You can say to go out with my friends. With is avec, and my friends is mes amis. Mes amis. Okay, so sortir avec mes amis. To go out with my friends. Répétez, sortir avec mes amis. Sortir avec mes amis. Okay, to go out together, the word for together in French is ensemble. That might look familiar to you. We have the word ensemble in English. Means a group of people that play or sing together. Okay, that's just the French word for together, ensemble. Sortir ensemble. Répétez, sortir ensemble. Sortir ensemble. Okay, to go to the nightclub or to go out to the nightclub is going to be sortir en boîte. Sortir en boîte. Répétez, sortir en boîte. Okay, this last expression, it's not sortir with the R, but it is a word that comes from the verb sortir. It's sorti. If you are in a French-speaking area, a francophone country, and you're in a public place, if you look around, you will probably see a sign. If you're indoors, you will see a sign somewhere that says sorti, and that just tells you where the exit is. So sorti means exit. So here we don't have the R on the end, so it's not sortir, now it's sorti. Sorti. Répétez, sorti. Sorti. Okay, so now you know some expressions involving the verbs aller, jouer, and sortir. Okay? Au revoir.